Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, I am getting ready for Advent. I have bought a couple of Advent calendars and you know what that means. Yes, that's right, I'm doing some giveaways. Today we are starting off slow. We are starting off with a smaller sort of Advent calendar, and it is the Backstage beauty box by Beauty Bay. I really like Beauty Bay, and I thought this would be a very cool, very budget friendly advent calendar. If you would like to find out what's in the Beauty Bay advent calendar, then all you have to do is keep on watching. So I was getting ready to get my advent calendars. I was trying to find the most interesting ones, the nicest ones, trying not to buy the most expensive ones. It didn't happen. I do have a very expensive box, but that will be towards the end of November. In fact, it might come in December, we shall see. But I stumbled upon this baby right here, the Beauty Bay, the Backstage beauty box. I thought it was such a good price of £30. I think that even if you want to surprise someone with something like this would be great. You know, if you have a makeup fanatic, these beauty advent calendars are getting more and more expensive, and this seems to be containing a lot of good products, and it is a reasonable price of £30. This did come in a separate box, which I didn't think was a good idea. You know, I try to be least impactful on the ecosystem as that hair flip. I try to be as eco-friendly as I can, and you know, excessive packaging just it's not my thing. It really annoys me, and honestly, Beauty Bay, I always praised you for the amount of like good work that you do. This came in a separate box, and when you reveal it, it comes in like a regular box that they would send their stuff in. So honestly, I wouldn't have minded if this had come like this. I don't need this, you know. Yeah, it looks nice, but this could have easily just been a card on top and I would have been happy. The only good thing about this excessive packaging is that it is 100% fully recyclable, and I'm going to open it. I think I'm going to try. And I've jinxed it. They have put a card in. So just huge box, a sleeve on, another box inside, a card. No point. Beauty Bay, it's time to get prepared for a season of celebrations. Get ready to take the center stage. What's inside? Oh, I don't want to know. Scan to discover more about the products. Use code. I'm going to give it to the winner of the giveaway. As always, everything comes nicely secure, and unfortunately I already, not that I mind it, but I do wish they came in boxes. I know I've moaned about all these boxes, but not having the box on the outside that it came in, not having the sleeve, they could have put individual products into boxes, or at least like put a little sticker on them, so it just makes it more fun for someone that actually does want this box and treat it as an advent calendar. Like, this is just items thrown in there. It's kind of missing that Christmassy vibe. Let's see what's inside anyway. The first thing I see, and I really like, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I actually got a sample of this before, and I do use it every now and again. I don't think it holds as well as the Brow Freeze, which I absolutely love and use pretty much every single day. However, I do use this every now and again if I don't have the time to use Brow Freeze, or if I just want to be quick and easy and get rid of the sort of fall down powder or something like that. Okay, the next thing I have is the State of Mind scented candle, woody and floral, sandalwood and rose. Let's give it a quick sniff. Oh, that looks so cute. Oh, that looks so cute. I don't mind that actually. It's spicy. I personally don't like candles that are very, very sweet, you know, like vanilla. To be fair, apple and cinnamon is nice, but it can get quite sickly. But like vanilla and cupcake and stuff like that, not for me. I like fresh scents. This is borderline a little too much, but I kind of like it because it's spicy. The next thing I picked up is the Ordinary amino acids plus a B5. Never had it. Don't know what it does. Apply a few drops to face in AM and PM before creams. A tingling sensation can be expected after application. Blah blah blah. What does it do? I actually don't know. But, you know, if it tingles, it's usually pretty good and good for your face. I like that. I might have to read into it. I love me some Ordinary, and it is a full size of their sort of serum line. So this is probably really good. Oh, the next thing is one of my favorite. Let me show you the proof. One of my favorite moisturizers. This is Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hours Auto Replenish Hydrator. I have the full size, and this is, I think it comes in 2 jars. This is like the smaller jar, and this is the sort of mini. I love it. It's so good for oily skin. I don't think it'd be as hydrating for a dry skin, but they can definitely use it. This is such a good cream, face cream. Such a good moisturizer. You can apply it before makeup, you can apply it on the night. It's so good. So, like, just honestly, you guys, can't recommend it enough. I'm sure whoever gets this will be very pleased with the product inside. Another product that is a mini, and it is the Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. I know this is such a hit online. I've tried the only thing I've tried from Badescu. Yeah, that's his name. The thing where you dip and you put it on your spots. I'll put it on the screen now. I don't think it's such a good product. I know everyone loves it, but it just dries my skin so much. Yeah, it does get rid of spots, but then it kind of, it's a little too aggressive for my liking. But this could be nice. I do kind of want to spray it, but I'm not going to. I just want to, oh, that, I'm not surprised this is a hit. The smell of this is exactly what I wanted it to be and more. I love the smell of green tea, and I like the smell of aloe. I'm not a fan of cucumber, but it's just a hint. It's nice and fresh, and I can imagine using this would be fantastic. The next thing is definitely, most certainly, a mini. Like, can we get a little bit more than this, guys? This is Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I'm not surprised you get so little because Glam Glow is so crazy expensive. I honestly can't justify the price, but you know, it's a mud mask. Don't waste your money on mud masks, guys. And next thing, we have a primer cocktail. from Smashbox. It comes in a box. See, they can come in a box. It could have like a number 10. We have the Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer from Splashbox, and the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I've heard so much good things about this, but honestly a lot of like blurring smoothing primers just give me spots. I might have to try this eventually one day, we shall see. The Vitamin Glow, I don't need any more glow on my face before makeup. I have my natural oils to do that for me. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Foreo, that's what I'm going to call it. Foreo Lunar Play face wash thing. This looks so cute, you guys. I really want to open it, but whoever gets this will get the joy of opening it. It looks like a tiny little egg, and I can actually imagine this scrubbing really nice. I have the Lunar Play 3, Lunar 3, I don't know. It's one of those big ones, but not like really long, the egg, but yeah. And it's in yellow. It looks really nice. I actually don't mind these. They look really nice and they don't actually really scrub your face aggressively. So this should be really good for whoever gets this. There is something that I might keep for myself, we shall see, and it is the Florence by Mills Swimming Under the Eyes gel pads. These are the totally adorable whale-shaped under eye patches that Florence by Mills, or Millie Bobby Brown if you don't know, has come up with. They look so cute, and I actually have never tried these. I really want to. I kind of wonder if they're actually any good. Two more products. We have the Sorry Not Sorry Acne Patches, the 36 patches with hydrocolloid pimple patches. What are these? And I'm pretty sure they come in a very cute array of shapes as well. That's nice. Would not mind having these last night because I have a very painful spot right here, and it needs to come to the surface. These are really good to bring up the gunk to the surface and kind of help it soothe that spot. So really like that. In 36, that's actually quite a lot. And last but not least, am I right? I think so. The Aurelia, never heard of them, reversing. And last but not least, we have the Aurelia, I'm probably saying that wrong, never heard of them, Resurfacing Serum Clear Skin Treatment with 5% niacinamide, bacterial and protida. I have no idea what this says. But essentially it's a serum. I like that it's in a glass bottle and it is in the sort of dark, hopefully sun protective, UV protective bottle. A lot of skincare products should come like this because a lot of products get spoiled because of the UV rays. It looks really nice. I've never heard of them, but the one thing that I overall have to say about the products that were in there, it's very much targeted towards natural, normal / oily skin. If you have dry skin, I don't think any of these, or at least very little amount of these, will work for you. So Beauty Bay overall estimates this box to be worth £138, and what they are saying is you are saving 78% of the price by paying £30, like I've mentioned. It does have a list of things that go inside, and they are being sort of quite open and honest. Not with everything though. It doesn't mention that the Badescu spray is a mini, but it definitely is. The Clinique Moisture Surge is 15ml, and as you could have seen in comparison to mine, it is definitely smaller. The Smashbox Photo Finish primers, even though this has come in one box, they are treating these two products as two different products, which again I think is a shame, because you know, you kind of want to open stuff one day at a time. That's kind of the point of advent calendars. So if you picked out this one and thought, oh yeah, I'll get another product, no you won't. You get two different products in one day. I have split my box in half, so you are getting 6 products and I'm getting 6 products to try out. I think that's very, very fair. If you would like to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, leave a comment with what's your favourite thing to do during Christmas time, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, then what do you do during your time off? Answer me that question in the comments and that will enter you in this giveaway. And what you will get, hopefully, if you win, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Really like it, highly recommend. The Aurelia Resurfacing Serum, because I think, you know, you can't go wrong with a serum. Moisturize with one of my favorite products, the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hours. Such a good moisturizer. The Vitamin Glow Photo Finish from Smashbox. And last but not least, you will get, if you win, the Foreo Lunar Play Mini. This is so adorable. I love the colour of it. I'm sure it works fantastically on the face, and I hope you enjoy the giveaway. Good luck to everyone. If you want to know more details about the giveaway, check out the description down below. I will try my best to be a lot better with sending these out a lot faster than I did last year. Unfortunately, you know, last year was hectic for everybody, and a lot of these giveaway parcels didn't leave until like the 1st of January or later on. Hopefully this time this year that you'll get them before Christmas. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed that. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. But for now, thank you so much for watching. You are the best, and I hope to see you next time.